Do you think there's a correlation between how long you have known someone and just how much that someone inspires you? I don't know what everyone's answer is, but to me, my answer is no. I believe the strength of someone's inspiration lies very much on the impact left on certain individuals and society at large. I must say that although I've only known this person for about a year now, this person who happens to be the focus of my speech, I think he has indeed made a very deep impact on me and society as a whole. He is none other than our outgoing area governor, Cohen. For those of us who has had the pleasure and privilege of hearing Cohen deliver a speech, I'm sure all of you would agree that he is quite the charismatic and dynamic speaker. Whenever he takes the stage, he exudes a certain presence about him that makes people stop and want to listen to what he has to say. It is one thing for him to know that he is blessed with such innate talent, but it is quite another for him to want to use his God-given talent to benefit others. If you didn't already know this, Cohen is a speaker and trainer by profession. He runs his own company called Ministry of Influence. Perhaps there will never be an award commissioned for the number of people he has inspired through the work he does at his company. But here is something Cohen should take care to remember. You have created a ripple within a huge ocean. No matter how tiny that ripple is, it makes a difference. Don't ever forget that. While people may say that Cohen's visit to our club is just part of his official duty as our area governor, it cannot be denied that he has left his imprint on this club. He might not realize this himself, but he brings so much fun and laughter to our chapter meetings that the lack of his presence at future meetings will definitely be felt. On that note, I would like to take a moment to welcome our incoming area governor. She's not here, but I promised her this would be on video. So, Susan, this is for you. I don't want you to feel that you must fill Cohen's shoes once you take over. You have all my confidence that you will do a great job in the term ahead. Just be yourself. Having mentioned Cohen's impact on society and on this club, I would like now to share his impact on me. You see, having met Cohen a year ago, he has come to mean a lot to me. He is what I call a silent mentor. When I say silent, I mean he supports me very much from the background. He encourages, advises, and teaches me. To explain further, he encourages me by telling me that I myself am his inspiration. This in turn makes me want to push myself to my full potential. One of the most most impactful advice that Cohen has given me that I will not soon forget. He said, in order to heal yourself, you must serve others. Lastly, and perhaps the most powerful life lesson he has taught me is everyone has imperfections. And in order to truly appreciate someone, one must accept their imperfections as part of